Hey guys, welcome to today's episode of Piano TV. You might be able to hear a loud tractor outside because it's been snowing and they are plowing up the roads. I don't know if I'm using the right terminology, but if there's background noise, that is what you're hearing. So a couple things I want to say today. One thing really quick, because this is sort of a limited time thing, I am starting a group class for beginners. And if you are a total beginner at piano, or you feel like you really need to just start from scratch and have weekly lessons that include course content and also weekly feedback from me and a group to participate in, then definitely check this out. I'll leave the link below. It has all of the information that you need for that. It is starting next week. So I don't know, that's November 23rd or something like that. So I am going to close it on at the end of the 22nd on Sunday, because I want to make sure that everyone who's going through this is going through it at the same time. I'm not sure when I'm going to open this up again. What I intend to do, since this is for total beginners, it's a 20-week program with course content and stuff like that. I might follow that up with the second part of the second 20 weeks, which would essentially take you through the entire beginner stages of piano and take you right up to about a grade 1 level. There's going to be pieces and sight reading and technique, and I like to keep, as a joke, I like to keep things really organized. So so take a look. If this is something you're interested in, I'd love to have you, and so would everyone else, I'm sure. It'll be a lot of fun. So that's the main announcement that I just wanted to quickly hop on and make today. Now, I know I haven't been making a lot of YouTube videos lately because I've been doing a lot of other videos, and I want to tell you about them just in case you missed them. So I created a free Chopin course, which I think 1,000 of you guys have signed up for, which is awesome. It's really, really cool. I've been getting lots of lovely emails from people who are going through the course, who are sharing their experience of it. So like I said, it's totally free. It's basically a course that allows you to learn Chopin's easiest piece, his waltz in A minor. It is not an easy piece, but I do have a simplified version if you haven't been playing piano for that long. So check that out, because there's tons of video content on there that has not been on YouTube on Piano TV. So that's one thing you can check out. Another thing that I was doing is I did a bunch of videos for a cooking challenge that I did, which is currently running. So that was another big project I had on the go. And because of this beginners program that I'm launching, I'm also creating a lot of videos and course material for that at this particular moment. It's ongoing. So that's why I haven't been as active on YouTube, but I would like to share some videos and get back into the swing of things for the remainder of the year, as much as COVID permits, because my schedule is always changing. So what I want to ask you is, what would help you right now? What kind of video would help you if I'm to share a few videos between now and towards the end of the year? One idea, I don't know if anyone cares about this, but let me know in the comments. I really like doing Christmas music videos. I like getting in the holiday spirit. I like learning how to play Christmas pieces on my piano. I'm really pumped to sing Christmas music with my toddler. She loves singing, learning songs. She loves making up songs. It's great. So I'm really excited about that. If you guys have any interest in Christmas music, let me know. I don't have to do them if no one wants me to, but that's one idea I had. And if there's any particular pieces or difficulty level or anything you guys would like, then let me know in the comments. That would be great. Otherwise, I'll probably just post videos on whatever I happen to think is pertinent at the time. Maybe something that I feel like I'm getting a lot of emails about, the kinds of questions I receive a lot, or perhaps tutorial, other tutorial style videos that aren't necessarily related to Christmas music. So lots of ideas, but I just really want to solicit your feedback on what kind of videos you want, so I can make videos that you care about, that are useful to you. So let me know. Thank you so much for that. And definitely check out the beginner course thing that I'm creating. It's looking like it's going to be a lot of fun. I've tried to price it affordably too, because I know, at least for me and for lots of people, a good chunk of the population, COVID, it makes things harder on a financial level. So a lot of us have more time to do things like learn piano, but we also have more financial pressure because maybe we're not working as much or things like that. So I wanted to make sure that the monthly rate for what was being offered was as low as I could swing it, basically. So because I want everyone to be able to learn. And if you don't have the money for any course or anything like that, then I do want to point you in the direction of my beginner playlist. So when I started this YouTube channel, I made a playlist that I called preparatory level or beginner. I think it's like preparatory / beginner. You can find it just by scrolling over to my playlists. And this is actually sequential. So the way I designed the videos was if you started at the beginning and you followed them one by one, that would basically be like a good roadmap of learning the basics. Now, I tried to make the playlist as complete as I could, but what I'm hoping to do with this group session, and one of the differences is there's going to be more content, more pieces, there's going to be more structure, there's going to be weekly assignments, like weekly pieces to learn, weekly technique, weekly sight reading, and it's going to be with a group with a live lesson components as well. So that's the difference, but I did want to point you in the direction of some of the free content that I've created as well, if that's what you are able to do at this point. I try to make sure that I have a little bit of something for everyone. It's been a long time coming that I've wanted to do a beginner course, so I'm glad that after like 5 years of doing these videos that I'm finally making this happen, and I'm really excited to get started. Thank you to all of you who have already signed up and joined. I think it'll be super, super fun. Hope you guys are well, and I'll talk to you soon.